Hey everyone, welcome back to Jabara. This is Barb, and today we finally have the bedroom makeover, and we definitely did this on a budget. I had originally planned to spend $400 on this bedroom makeover. The winter storm happened here in Texas, and I knocked that down in half to $200, but then I went about $30 over that budget, but still it turned out great. I love it. Everything, it looks amazing, and I know it's way different from the rest of my home. As y'all know, I like the farmhouse vibe, but I wanted something different in my bedroom, something simpler and something I can switch up whenever I wanted to. So I went with more of a boho, minimalist, Scandinavian type style. So I really hope y'all enjoy this. I'm just starting by taking everything down. I had already painted 2 walls in the bedroom, and I needed to paint these other 2. I had cleaned out the from underneath the bed earlier this morning, so I'm just putting my lights back under here, but I didn't want to put anything else back under there. I wanted to keep it clean as I could under there. It's really hard because our house is small, so there's not a lot of storage, and I do store things under the bed sometimes. So anyway, I'm gonna just go ahead and take everything out of here, get it as clean as it can be. I'm also going to be cleaning the carpets in here, which made a huge difference. I'm so glad I invested in a carpet cleaner. It has literally just saved my life, and I don't know what I would do without it. And it's so satisfying when I do that. It's just amazing seeing how much filth and gunk is in the carpets. It's disgusting. But anyway, I had a little shelf up here, and I had just threw this room together when we first moved in, and I really didn't take my time on it. I didn't have a lot of decor, and it was time. It's been time. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, take that stuff down, fill in those holes, and then we'll start painting.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough.
And this thing in the corner, I'm sure y'all would want to know what that is. My husband built that. It's for his cut. He is in a biker club, and he uses that to hang up his helmet and his cut. So anyway, I was just taking that down real quick because I didn't want to get paint on it. Now I'm taking the furniture out because I am going to redo that desk. I am taking the other nightstand completely out and putting a different one in here, one that I had out in storage, and I just went ahead and repainted both of those, and you will see those at the end. It made a huge difference, and now I'm just wiping down the walls before I go ahead and start painting. And I am using leftover paint from the living room and the dining room and the kitchen that I used, and this is just the pure white. That's the color that I chose, and it is very bright. The first night we stayed in the room, once I got it all painted and everything, my husband was like, it's so bright in here, because we usually sleep with the closet light on. He went and turned all the lights off because he was like, even the littlest bit of light makes it so bright in here. But I absolutely love it. It's really, really light, and I like it. It just relaxes me. So anyway, yeah, that's the paint color I'm using, pure white. And I tried to speed this up as much as I could for y'all. I didn't know if y'all would want to see me painting so much, but like I said, I'm just doing one coat, and then we'll go into the decorations, or well, the carpet cleaning, and then decor. So anyway, yeah, y'all just hang in there, and I hope y'all are enjoying this so far.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time.
I was also doing the trim at the top, the white too, and when you're covering this brown, this dark brown, it just takes a lot of coats. So I was doing that throughout. As I was painting the walls, I was putting coats on the top of the trim, and then I'm also going to be doing the window. I just wanted everything white. We've been living with the wood, like the brown, and I like it, I do, but I just wanted to change. I wanted something different, and I wanted to keep everything white. I had in my head that I was going to paint an arch over where the desk is going to be, and I wanted it to be like a warm orangey color like the rest of the decor in the room. But the more I thought about it, and then I talked to my husband about it, and the way I switch decor, or the way I change my mind, it would just be a lot easier if I leave everything white, and then I can just change the colors whenever I want. So this way, you know, when the different seasons start rolling around, I can change it. And especially for Christmas, because I wanted to do some fun stuff in my room for Christmas this year. So I'm so glad that I didn't paint the arch, but it would have been really cute if I might go back in a couple of months and find either some wallpaper or just something fun to do with one of the walls in the room, just to give it a little bit more character. But for right now, I'm just leaving it white.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights. Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do.
And I was so sore. I'm still sore as I'm editing this. I was so sore after doing all this work. And like, it's just crazy how you think something's going to be easy, and then you go to do it, and it is just way more intense than you ever could have thought it to be. So anyway, I was just so sore after all this. This is the next day, and I'm just dusting and cleaning these blinds. They were absolutely horrible. So I'm throwing in a little spring cleaning for y'all. I know it's March and we're ready to start going on that, and this house definitely needs it. I'm going to do a whole spring clean series. Like, it's going to be crazy. But anyway, I just wanted to get these blinds all wiped down and pretty again without all the dust and stuff on them. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean the windows, and then we're going to clean the floors, and then we're going to start decorating. So that's the part I'm always excited for, and I hope you're enjoying this so far.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you.
I was just looking so rough on this day. I just got up, started painting furniture, put on the same shirt I had on yesterday, and started going for it. I'm now cleaning the carpets, and like I said, this is one of my favorite things to do, and this thing works so good. Like, it makes the carpet look like new again. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and clean these carpets really quick. And like I said, I had gotten up early this morning and I started painting the furniture. Well, I sanded it and then painted it, and it was just a lot of work. And I'll explain everything to y'all at the end whenever we go to decorate. I mean, you can just see how much stuff it pulls out. It's so gross, but it's so satisfying, right? So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then I am going to go give myself a makeover. I was looking too rough and I couldn't do it, and I wanted to be feeling pretty, like I had my room feeling pretty. So anyway, and it was like really difficult to get anything done after I gave myself a makeover, because about that time my husband came home from work. I was in a dress, and like, I'm just a word of advice to my ladies: don't get dressed up if you're trying to get anything done if your husband's around, because you're probably not going to get anything done. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then we're going to start the fun stuff.
So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign.
I mean, look at that. I could do this again and again. I just want to clean my carpets all the time. I bet if I did this again, it would still be just as dirty. Like, I don't know. I feel like it's never going to be clean, but it's just so satisfying cleaning it. So we're almost done though, and then we're going to really start the fun stuff, I promise. We hadn't cleaned these carpets. I spot cleaned them, but I haven't like cleaned them in 2 years we've been here. So it's been a very long time, and I needed to get this done, and it just made such a huge difference in the room. And I'll have this link down below. It's a Bissell carpet cleaner, and you can get them on Amazon. If you can't afford to pay for them outright, you can get them on payments, which is really cool. So anyway, I'll have it linked down in my description box below if y'all want to check these out. But anyway, we're almost done with that part, and then we're going to get to the fun part. I did have my husband help me hang the piece over the bed last night, and I'll explain to y'all what brand that is and where we got everything from in just a minute.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo.
So the carpets look amazing. They look like new again. I love that carpet cleaner. I cannot stress it enough. So now we can start decorating. I found everything at Burlington, guys. I had planned on going and ordering stuff from Amazon, but I just told my husband, I was like, let me just go check at Burlington and see what they have. I found the sheets, I found the comforter set, I found the lamp, the piece over the bed, and an arrangement of dried flowers. So it went a long way. I also got curtains. So, and that was only $230. And I'll have everything linked down below if I can find it. The flowers, it was like one big tall bundle of these dried flowers, which dried flowers are really in this year, and warm colors are also really in this year. So I just took that apart and put it in different places, and it really went a long way. You don't have to keep the pieces all together, and you'll see at the end with the afters how it all worked out and how everything came together. My husband was laughing at me because I had a tag on my dress right there, but I mean a sticker thingy from a price tag. Anyway, I also got like these pillows. I had these throw pillow covers, the orange ones, but they matched everything so well. I didn't have to go buy any new ones. And then I just bought this one, and I believe this one was only $7.99, so it wasn't bad at all. And I like the different textures on it. Textures make a huge difference in the room. And then I got this little throw blanket from there also, and it was only $9.99. But like I said, I'll have everything linked down below if I can find it for y'all, or if I can find something similar to it if you want to go for this style. It's just very minimal, very light and airy, and it has the warm colors, which are really in this year. And I also put up some curtains, and I bought a set of curtains that were white, and then I just used the beige ones that I already had because they went perfectly with the pillow. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna vacuum it up really quick and show y'all the afters. I hope y'all enjoyed this bedroom makeover on a budget, and if you did, then please feel free to subscribe. I love you all. Take care of each other. Bye, guys.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house, and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds, and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now. Feel like I'm zoned out, put my phone down, damn it's cold out. Plotting on a rollout, we took our own route, really on our own now. These them winter schemes, plotting for better dreams, cooking flows and melodies for OGs with felonies who've been locked since the 70s. You gotta pray for enemies with jealousy, they only feed off the good-hearted. Just don't bargain, stay in your lane and keep hogging. Know that you a target and gotta finish what you started. Life of being an artist, gotta show them where your heart is. Put your all in, keep calling, keep going, don't stall it. Don't fall for what they all been dishing out. Just be yourself and it'll work it out. I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a